Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Tuesday, September the 14th, 2010, and like we do every night, it's time to look at the markets. Check this out. Okay, we're going to start off today looking at gold. Got a lot of questions about gold. Okay, here's the deal. You got to know a little history here. You got a support right back here because of the European credit crisis that's going on over there. That's what we were looking at back here. We said you had a breakout here. You wanted to be a buyer there. You pull back there. Okay, support. We told you that support was due to that, and it wasn't going to go anywhere until that problem was resolved. So you get a bounce up here. This is previous resistance, and you could take that trade right there. Very happy. Everybody's happy. Then you get a pullback down here, back to the same level. Okay, and here you are, and you're finding support again because that crisis over there is still a crisis. And then backs up she goes, and she got a little top heavy. We told you, hey, she's getting top heavy. Wouldn't be a shorter because that crisis could blow up at any time, but she is getting top heavy right there. So you definitely don't want to be just blindly holding gold unless you're a long-term investor or something like that. But from a trader's standpoint, you definitely wouldn't want to be a buyer at that point. Then today, news came out about Germany. Their, economy is contracting there, and boom, gold takes off again. This is how you play that problem over there. If you're into that kind of thing, that's what's driving this market. At the same time, the FTSE's been rallying for the past couple of weeks, and that doesn't make any sense at all. One of these guys is lying, and it's not gold. So let's go look at the markets. Before I do, again, I would not short gold because, like I said, you could have euphoria here if, Greece defaults or something like that. This guy could rock it. And at the same time, if I was going to buy it, I'd buy it on dips. I would not be a buyer of the rally. Okay, that's just not how I play that game. I always buy the dips. Something you need to know about today, though, is bullish divergences. When you see a situation where the slow stocks is showing higher highs or higher lows, you're showing an uptrend, and this price activity at the same time is showing a downtrend. That's known as a bullish divergence, and we're going to show you one today on the VIX. Okay, let's start here looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. She was down 17 points for the day, 17.6 points for the day. No major move here. I don't want to call this the exact peak. I never actually try and call the exact day as the peak. It's not something that's all simplistic, and I'm not day trading here. I'm swing trading. So any move to the upside, I'm just looking for short opportunities. And whenever your slow stop is above the 80 line, that's what you should be doing. Okay, that's what works. Okay, don't fight the chart. Here you're showing across all the markets. Actually, you're showing overbought conditions of the slow stocks. You're getting toppy. You have got to move here. You still got room to move to the upside. They could still fight the upside. We've got lots of news come out this week, so I'm not going to call this as being the exact peak. She could roll over here, as we did see intraday, a series of lower highs and lower lows, but again, that could be shaken off by any bit of news that we get out or something like that. The main thing here is that from a swing trader's perspective, you want to be looking for shorts, not longs. All your signals are telling you to look for those. And if we go check the VIX, remember, you can double check your analysis of the market with the VIX. Let's go do that. As we said before, anytime you're doing a market analysis, you can double check it. If you do a US market analysis, you can double check it against the VIX. If the VIX is bullish, the overall market should be bearish. If the VIX is oversold, the overall market should be overbought, and vice versa. Okay, and right here you've got two candlestick formations calling for reversals. You'll also notice 2124 low point there, and today's low is 2085. That's showing a downtrend. Same time, low point of the slow stock showing an uptrend right there, right there. It's known as a bullish divergence. You want to be a buyer of that. That's a buy opportunity. It's confirmed on the RSI as well. Very good information there. Definitely confirming our analysis that the overall markets are getting toppy. You need to be looking for short opportunities. A quick look here at the Russell 2000. Okay, the Russell 2000, you'll note this high point here on the slow stotch, and then this one here is a lower high. You're starting to show signs of a potential bearish divergence as you got these trending down while the high points corresponding with those points, okay, like that and like that, all right, are trending up. Okay, that's a bearish divergence if it stays like this, so keep that in mind. Unless this guy makes a new move up here, you're going to have bearish divergence, and you want to be a short right there. You want a short, short, short like that, okay? You do have a couple of gaps right here that can still fill, and you've got several below you. And if you watched last night's market analysis on the NASDAQ, we went into great detail there, showing a lot of bearish divergences, a lot of bearish setups, and you want to be using the bounces as a short opportunity. This guy here, the Russell 2000, no different. You've got a bearish divergence in play. It remains in play until it's justified. It means price activity's got to break down below this 587 level. Problem is, we got another one at 580, so it's got to break below that as well. So you're at 649, 650 area, and you got to break below 580. Okay, that's gonna happen whether you like it or not. So be looking for that. Okay, the Nasdaq was one of the few that actually closed with a gain for the day. She's up 4 points, just slightly up. But the thing I want to bring to your attention today is that she's adding another problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days to the upside already. Most you do on this chart in the past 6 months is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive days to the upside before you get a rollover. So you've already got 5 over here. If you get 6 and 7, look for a peak sometime this week. That's basically the gist of that. Again, 6 gaps below you that you can see on the 6-month chart right there. 1 gap above you came really close to filling it today. So any little move to the upside there will be justifying this and leave you with only these to fill down here. Okay, very naughty. All right, awesome. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Also, please subscribe to that YouTube channel. It's free. We appreciate that support, and it helps us stay free. I'd like to thank everybody for referring their friends, for sharing our videos online. I appreciate that. Last night, we broke every traffic record we have on our website. Again, it's like we do that every single week. We're just getting huge, all right? Thank you very much for all that support. A quick look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. Awesome. If you want to see what's in my portfolio and what I'm doing, join me tomorrow morning in our live trading course. Okay, check out the top picks. Also, got a lot of cool videos on our free website at perfectstockalert.com showing you how to do this stuff for yourself. Also, with some stocks to watch for this week. Pretty cool stuff. We do that every single week. And just want to say thank you very much for your support. God bless, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.